Welcome to a video tutorial for using Microsoft PowerPoint to present a case study. Microsoft PowerPoint is used to create slide presentations through the use of text, graphics, and animation. In this tutorial, specific instructions for selecting a design, creating a title slide, adding new slides, and adding images to a slide will be presented. First, we will set up a theme for the presentation, which can be done by finding the Design tab at the top of your screen. A list of 13 themes will become visible, and you can preview them by hovering your mouse over the desired theme. Once you have decided which theme you wish to apply, right-click on the theme and select Apply to All Slides. Once you have selected Apply to All Slides, each new slide will continue to have the selected design. Just to the right of the row of themes, you will find a box with 3 options: Colors, Fonts, and Effects. Each of the options will have a drop-down menu where you can once again hover over the options, and it will allow you to preview what the selection will look like. You can see here what potential colors are available, as well as the different theme options. Now that the theme has been set, it is time to create a title slide. Find the Home tab in the Programs toolbar and click on it. This will take you back to the home screen, and this is where you will begin to edit the content of your title slide. First, you'll need to click on the text that says "Click to add title" and type out the title of your presentation. For demonstration purposes, English 420 Group Project is typed out. There is a feature that is available to tweak your title slide to look exactly how you want it. To find this feature, look just beneath the Programs toolbar and click on the drop-down menu where it says Layout. This tab is located in the subsection labeled Slides. Find your desired layout for the title slide and click on it. Unfortunately, hovering over the layout will not provide a preview, but it is simple enough to change around if you need to. Next, you will need to click on the box that says Click to add subtitle. This box is typically used for the presenter's name or the name of the group. Once the title and subtitle have been added, it is time to change the font of the information found on the title slide. To change the font size, style, or color, you need to highlight the desired text and use the icon found in the subsection titled Font, which is beneath the Programs toolbar. Here, we show an example of how to change the style, the size, and the color of the font. We even show how to make the font bold, italicized, and underlined. Once again, you are able to preview what the font will look like if you hover your mouse over the desired selection. Using these techniques effectively will allow you to create a better overall appearance. Now that the title slide is complete, it is time to add some actual information to your presentation. To get started, find the subsection titled Slides. Here you will find the New Slide option. Click on the drop-down arrow and select the layout of the new slide that you want. The selection of the layout you want depends on what type of information will be presented. Here we select the title and content layout. Like we did on the title slide, the next step is to add text. Click on each of the boxes that say Click to add text and type out the information you wish to include on the slide. Once you have your information recorded, it is a good idea to change the font size, style, or color. Like we did earlier, you need to highlight the text you wish to change and use the icons in the font subsection to make these changes. Once again, hovering the mouse over the selection will allow you to preview what the font will look like. Changing the font color and size like we do here is a good way to make the information stand out to your audience. Now that you know how to create a new slide, it is time to incorporate images into your presentation. This is a big feature for using PowerPoint. But before you can put a picture into your slides, you need to make sure that the desired picture is saved as a JPEG image. You will not be able to use the image until it is correctly formatted. Like you did before, click the drop-down menu under the New Slide box and find the Picture with Caption layout. On this slide, you will find 3 boxes reading Click to add text, Click to add title, and click icon to add picture. Click on the icon that reads Click to add picture. Here, you will need to navigate to a location where your desired image was saved, and then click on the image and click Insert. Usually, when an image is added to a slide, it is not in the desired location. Another possibility is that the picture is either too big or too small for your preferences. If the picture is not in the right location on the slide, click and drag the image into the desired position. If the image is either too big or too small, click the image so that when the mouse is hovering over one of the corners, a diagonal arrow appears. You can now adjust the size by clicking on a corner of the image and dragging the corner inwards or outwards, depending if you want to decrease or increase the size. You can also click the size of the image to stretch or pitch the size of the image closer together. Another way that you can format the image is by rotating it. To do this, click on the image and you will find a green dot located directly above the center of it. Click and hold that dot and move your mouse around to get the image to your desired angle. So this is going to wrap up the PowerPoint tutorial. Now that you know how to create and format new slides, as well as insert pictures, all that you will need to do is input your topic information and you will have a complete slideshow.